Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kedor barshong Laban kelapen kuburam yau MLA jangka uba Sanbor Shilai ubelasha ajit ben Shimti ya ke Shuki Myntri Sorkar hak ba Myntri rang ba ke jelau konrat ke sangma lepen khamtiru hau benpet ya ketenan Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Art and Culture Printing and Stationery bagatana Legal Metrology uba Sanbor la aku belaya berok kedor barshong hak Thaiñ Laban berok we belayo isisha ke jing terikam jong na kabenta ben Wanrah ikroi kapar bakabhagamiat hak Constituency berokwe ba Sanbor le thuru hakipat ba batang mare Shimti ya ke Shuki Myntri Sorkar ulayo ikamang pisa kapra Klur tingka pensiang rong ke surok nadu civil hospital point ter shadow St John last stop Bakenche Street nalokataw loong bo ulayo ru ya kamang tingka banshna penbhai ke surok hahari sabha Laban ya ke baon stang no hadin ke puja
Printing a century was in both life. Please rise our food. Next, Volume C, President D. Baila. Proud to honor Sri Sanbor MLA, 19th South Geelong Constituency for being inducted into the Cabinet MBA 2, Government of India as Minister in Charge, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Art and Culture, Printing and Stationery, and Legal Metrology Department. Locality beautification of the Wanrah. President of Next is OC Shabam is here. Traffic branch, Sanbor in charge. Here. Basaipar, Wanrah. Basaipar.
Being able to bring development to this constituency of ours. More and more responsibility has been given to him, and we are very proud that the government has inducted him into its council or the cabinet of ministers. We believe that as he goes on from here, more and more will be done by him, and he will be growing in stature and having more and more responsibility in the government of Meghalaya. So with these few words, I would like to again offer our congratulations, our felicitations, and we believe that you will be a blessing to our area and all of the people who are in this constituency, and also for the state as Minister of the State. Thank you very much.
This is also the blessing of God which has blessed me and you. And finally, after deliberation, I initiated the plot of land. Then I moved personally to the state government. From the DOC office, they have recommended, they have forwarded to the secretariat, and it has reached the table of the revenue minister. Thank you so much, Dr. R.C. Lalu. I will not forget your wisdom. You really love our locality, the Lungpruya, the locality which gives him 100% vote. And my elder brother, it is late Diego Shulai, who was his right-hand man. And when the file reached the table of Dr. R.C. Lalu, I told him, Ma, I was deputy speaker at that time. He's a cabinet minister. I said, normally they will have to table it in the cabinet for the cabinet approval. She saw us. Said, yes, I am the cabinet minister. Then and there he approved and allotted to the urban affairs department. It's a revenue land. And that time I was the deputy speaker and Dr. Mukul was the chief minister. We had a meeting accordingly about 4 crore 30 lakh has been sanctioned for the construction of the Bishnupur Kenches Market Kom Dorbar Hall. Coming to cantonment area, I would like to express my sincere thanks to Shri Mohan Limbu, who is the headman of the Jalapura Village Council, Raju Limbu, Secretary of the Village Council and other members, Ba Hardi Rungatian, and Ba Jori Maulong Rambashno, headman of Nongsopo, Lower Portal Bazar Village Council, and also to Shri Lamki Kindia and Trevor Lalu, Rambashno, Secretary of Portal Bazar Village Council, and members of the BGP 19 South Shillong, representing the cantonment area with my constituency, also members of the BGP, members representing the municipal area. Now also I would like to express my committee, Monitoring Implementation Committee 19 South Shillong Constituency, where I am the president and Anthony Marwek Babu is the general secretary and other members. Actually, I have to bring the information since the induction to me as the cabinet minister. There are the national NGOs, village council who have offered to felicitate me, but I said later on I will not accept now because the door person Laban have already communicated to me that they have fixed today to felicitate me, because while I said I'll begin, let me start, let me accept from my birthplace. This place where I'm born and brought up. So I would like also to express my sincere thanks to our former MLA, which we should not forget in our day-to-day life. Right from late B.N. Chaudhary, then late Bhaskar Chaudhary, late Anthony Lungdo, late Tranghok Rengat, late Adil Chaudhary, late Sardian Joshi. We should not forget. And also our former MTC, Sir D.N. Joshi, during the Assam government time, late Bhaskar Chaudhary, lihat Pak Relan Sing Lido, lihat Pak Wanrah Hujan, and I think I have remembered all of them. So let us pray for them also that eternal soul will rest in peace. As to my party first, the BJP, where the electorates, all of you have elected me first. You remember 2008 when I was nominated as the NCP candidate. Again, you have repeated 2013. Again, you have reposed faith and confidence on me and my party, the then NCP at the time. And again, you have elected me for the second consecutive time. And later on, with the suggestion of my party workers, my ground force, and with due consultation with all the pockets within my constituency, 2013, after the delimitation, they have clapped. From the 10th to the 2nd Laban, and they have clapped. The election department, they have clapped. The 21 November, the 22nd Laban on the 19th South Shillong Constituency, which I am the representative, only MLA who represent the army area, the civil areas of the defense. That is the entire continent area. Last few days, I must express my sincere thanks also to three or four members of the second day. I was busy in the office of the Chief Minister, so they came to felicitate me. Thank you, Kong Anita Karoplan, Kong Albila Suel, Kong Bel Marthom, that Kong Goilu Ludo. Thank you. The book is still there. Thank you so much. And coming to the development, I am to bring to your kind information. Thank you so much that you have organized this felicitation program. I would like also to express my sincere thanks to Kong Jong Pambu, former MLA, advisor of the Dr. Ronald. And I will not lengthen my speech, but to bring it to the information of the Chairperson Laban and all the residents of Laban that very soon we have got a sanction of 8 crores for full black topping. That is called the bituminous concrete black topping within my constituency. The main entrance from civil hospital, it will start from the main entrance from civil hospital, then their main road of Laban, St. John, Marlaban, Lumparing, Rebong area, last bus stop, then their Lumparing area, the Bishnupur area, New KJCS area. So after the puja, maybe we can start the work. And other proposal also we have proposed for renovation, reconstruction of motorable road, including aqueduct, drainage system, which will start from near the resident of Kong Benita Maulong, David Laiflang, downwards via elsewhere school, up to the resident of Siddiqui, Dr. Siddiqui, and it will connect also till the Laban Masjid main entrance. PAK kepa sojam dah, anak senang berdiri kepa berdiri tu. Berapa tu dah ni tinggal yes. Seperti kamu senang kamu faham. Dan iwan yang tahu, kaya tak. Plan buat kantor baru senang kalau macam dah bagi peluang. How tu utun dah joki Jogi pun deh jogi prolongasi mis. Menta kator barsunong lakla lum saksi kecestis la down la dorbar macam turun untuk air macam kator barji kalau very strong very systematic apa kejalan coba one box star mendo ubang ya kaya hebat dengan strong beju sekolah. Coming to dorbar barsunong ayo ngasih berkat ngasih berkat. Tang visi Sorkar baraja mubah maksud Laban the Laban locality it's a cosmopolitan locality which was established by the then British government. Has been more Katnaka, so many pagan land are there in the entire Laban area. Kuno tangkawi jaga panstaru di Honda. Hangner film korporasi long korporasi jid orang macam how to know tonight to has missed. Lalu, pindah lagi program menasi program we have to be ketika belongs to us Miss friends. Menta kalabang dulu kedai ke start ke tubi ke jiru jumlah kaba nilai sanction ya kayo. Karena kawe pada dry market, parking facilities, kan lift bukan staircase bukan but adon tu, gindon lah kacau betul par. Tahu stop bakal kena. Nasuk tahu, bamenda hari start tu iban ciri melih. Kapasi utrai, ngadeng partai deh partai. Kenapa? Ya player pikir kau bi kam tiba ukupan try baik betul je bi baru ukupan. Menta blok itu senang jual senang baik betul je di 80 pinjau laga jauh tor senang. Bab laga pala mentau stem lagi haru jeri nyin pleno bab sesi dalam program ngisong no hapo utunu mutlai contoh dorbar semua lebih terkumpul. Bagaimana nawar bukan ada jisekri yang kecil play untuk dorbar kiseng sama aja mereka sedang betul hidupi. Hilau beramai ya kan. Nak benda kecil tu, nak benda hawai, nak benda ayam padu, nak benda no programs. Siapa yang kibri belum tak. Masuk ke pilot programs ke parking ke bawah berpikir cara berhor kita belakang no kereta those agent people also they go up by lift jadi ini bagaimana nasol berlomba kini kerujung play nomor berapa ngangkran tengok ke ayuba nonton bawa ulai upah penghai upah Sanbor apa? Kita buat kiskim, habro Constituency, ke Constituency area, hakipor cuma. Constituency area, it is very difficult. It's very strict by the Constituency board and the authority of the defense. If you want to change your situation also. It'll take 8 to 9 months and sometimes they rejected your application. Hatman Mohlimbu and Rajulumbu are here with me. Bahardi from the Cotton area. I remember when I was first elected MLA from this constituency. Before that, you will see people from Australia. They have to wake up 3 a.m. in the morning to fetch water from Shimti river. But this is also a blessing of God. I have moved the scheme from the PHE independent line, and now the Constituency area are enjoying maximum water where they are getting 10 hours in the daytime, 5 hours in the evening time. By the WD department, the approach Motorable Road from the opposite Apaidi from Jumerlin down connecting the existing road. We have also earmarked and sanction has been given by the Urban Affairs Department for an amount of rupees 31 lakh for reconstruction of this Harishama Lungkar thing from the resident of late Bhaskar Chaudhary MLA, former MLA, in Klur till the resident of the parents of Dr. Abdul Lamari. Then it will reconstruct, renovate with aqueduct system. From there, via resident of Dr. Abid downwards, connecting the Laban Harisama existing Blue Road. This is only for Laban locality. Recently, we have renovated also the community hall of the Harisama Welfare Committee. There are so many works has been taken up, and there will be so many new schemes also, where we will very soon we will be having a program which we are going to lay the foundation soon for many schemes, maybe by the month of October after Puja. So here, one thing before I resume my seat. With the blessing of God, and we have proposed this. It comes from the Dorparsna Laban in our series of inspection with the municipal area, with the urban authority in the last few years. So we have inspected, and finally I have taken personal initiative, and I have we have a team from Delhi. The team from Delhi, this architect, those engineer who prepare the DPR, plan, estimate. So accordingly, when we communicate from the office of the BGP Shillong, so they came, we have provided them a place to stay. So 3 days they have come and they have do the measurement. They have prepared the plan from the Dorparsna by Joy at the time. I told them to send me the recommendation, the proposal from the Dorparsna. Accordingly, the DPR has been completed. We have moved the scheme from the Urban Affairs through Regional Municipal Board, and it was forwarded to Delhi, and from Delhi we have got a sanction of 14 crores rupees, 40 crores for construction of Laban municipal supermarket. In brief, I want to share with you the area which I'm staying in Kachesri, Bishnupur, Lomchatski. Before delimitation, it was under the 2021 Laban MLA Constituency. So after delimitation, they have clapped the 21 with that 22. We, the resident of the then Bishnupur Kachesri, now we have converted into Dorparsna Lomchatski Kachesri. We don't have our own community hall. If we organize the election of Dorparsna or the executive committee meeting of various Dorparsna committee, we have to pay 10,000 to the committee of the Deva Kumar Hall, which belongs to our activist friends.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndey. Compare la kabarin, kapapidi harut surok ni kabahe, kumki restaurant, bat kiway, ni pishat roti, shat cake, bat kiway. Nakabenta kakoy kakya jonggi patba nong bam nong di. Patba pinyo kacing shania naki. Pidon kam bandon deka license kapapaka kabala itu dakaan. Kata ke Food Safety and Standards Act Arajar Henril link back section lai puwe iwe. Kamde ka bae bapinyo eka license. Pila ban apply ko online link back website fastcast.fssai.gov.in daga bapihap pan upload ru ikot kisla badan kam kat kum kejat jingkam jong pi. Pilaru banyak kendo, yaki designated officers lani food safety officers, ke badan hak office terekam Jong-u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan Megalaya, lat no tang is kasihers. Pilak ben let bed, siya ke office terekam Jongki ke Commissionerate of Food Safety ke badan Halowa Lachumya. Nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Wanrah Shapi dekat Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, bat belakershan dekat Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Penriu squab ya kaktin la jong pindam kam ya kabakan kiyo kaktin kasi kaktin la jong ai kan roy kan pa ni don ki kentin la jong belaipat puri bat penduk ialah kaktin lajong. Kum kan nuksa, kakentien barikor kamut arts hakaktin pareng. Kakentien lari tipat kamut culture. Kumta, ya ka arts and culture, niyo da kaktin khasi, barikor bat lari ti. Kibalong ru kikentien ban kerteng khun. Ubarikor ka lari ti. Lapan mi da kapati CTV, nakamenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.